Hold on. Get down. Hold on, girl. Go for a ride? Hold on. We can go for a ride. Cruising in the scooter. Got my homegirl with me. Gary wanted me to knock the dust off his mobility scooter. Sophie says, "You're not going without me." And this thing is pretty fun, actually. It's a nice little scooter. She seems right at home. You like it, Sophie? Is it fun? Alright, hold on. Here we go. Let's go down. Alright, here we go. Alright, we're going now, girl. Woo! You having fun? Oh, we're running from the cops. It's Bonnie and Hyde. Huh, Sophie? Uh-oh, they're coming for us. Gotta run from the cops, Sophie. There goes Gary's house. Here. There she is. Hold on, Sophie. I got you. There you go. I know, I got you. Stay right here. She likes it. Got the wind in her ear. Now you stay on. Alright. Stay on, girl. It's okay. Sophie, stay. I think I scared her a little bit. I'm gonna go park it. Alright, we're done. Huh. See, that's enough for this old girl. It's getting too hot, huh? Okay, hang on. Hang on, girl. Come on. Yeah, I think we knocked the dust off of it, Sophie. What do you think? Was that fun? Huh? Was that fun? You like the toy, huh? Yeah. Is that fun? Do you have fun on it? Huh? She seemed to like it. She's like ready to go again. Yeah. Yeah. Huh. Say, I felt the ear in my wind. The wind in my ear. The wind beneath my ear. Over here, girl. Come on. Let's go back in and get some water. Come on.